Good morning and welcome to today's Friday's live trading video. And straight in, it's only 7:45, not even that, 20 to 8. I'm going to put 1 unit in to start off with long on the euro dollar. So, but I'm looking to build this position, but it's a bit earlier at the moment, and anyway. We'll see after 8 o'clock if I can then start to build the position after that. So I've put this 1 unit in just in case it decides to go this side of 8 o'clock. So that's that. Let's get the stop loss in place even. The stop loss is going in at 117.95. So it's, I don't know, maybe about 13 pip stop there at the moment. Long euro dollar with the first target of my 4-hour 20, which is coming in at around about 118.29, so about a 20 pip first target, but there would be other targets beyond that. Now with this video today, I've got to make this a wrap by about 10 o'clock as far as me getting the video finished is concerned. So we don't have a lot of time to get it all, because I have to produce it and then get it out to you. So I say produce it, upload it, and get the emails done. So it's going to be a quicker one today, I think, this video. So anyway, I'll press pause for now. So I've got the stops in play. I'm going to be looking to I've only put the one lot in so far, so looking to build this position. The analysis all came from yesterday, and we've been diverging down here on the euro dollar. I'm just sort of halted the decline in the last couple of days. Yet 2 days ago we spiked down, then came back off of those lows. Yesterday was an inside day, and we are just about on top of our hourly 50 now here as well. So we're just trying to get beyond. So I don't know what this little zigzag is there. That's a data error, isn't it? Anyway, I have a little bit of momentum behind us as well. So I'm just waiting on that 8 o'clock and then see where the other levels come in, and that's when I'll add to this position. I'll press pause. So I'm going to put another one in anyway. Oh, sorry, just talking to the guys here. The euro dollar's just, as we can see, it's just come up since we've got that first unit in. If we can do a little bit of a pullback here, I'm going to put a second unit in anyway. So let's do that, and I'll have to. I was going to run some of this position anyway, so here we go. Right, so 14 is my second entry. Second entry at 14 here, and we shall see if it pulls back to the 8 a.m. pivot down here. Then I'll get another entry in, and that will be it. So I've got 2 entries in at the moment. One at 09 and then one at 14. Let's just get the stop put in play on this second entry. 17.95, so it's just under a 20 pip stop on that second entry. Now if we go straight up to 29, that's that first target. We'll take the unit off of that first entry I put in. We'll take that one off, and then we'll run the second unit. So that's the plan today. It'd be a slight shame in a way that if it just runs without us, because the plan is there, and it has been. I'm talking with the guys in the room here, and it was really, this was going to be the plan. Yesterday afternoon we were talking about this being the plan for this morning's trading. So which is to be long on the euro dollar, and so providing there was a little bit of momentum behind it on the upside this morning. So we'll wait. We never know. Sometimes they do then slowly pull back down, but if it just goes here, then at least we've got 2 units in, and we'll see how it goes here. So I guess shall I press pause? Yeah, let's move the deal ticket off. I don't think I'm going to need that now. Oh, actually I'll leave it on, because then at least we can see the prices there. So 29 is that first target. We might have to get the deal ticket up and ready right now. We're already at 20, so let me just get that first one ready. So there's the deal ticket. Now I've brought that up, it'll probably that'll slow it down. That'll arrest its progress. But in fact, what I am going to do is I'm going to put a limit order in. So let me bring up the ticket here, and let's put a limit order in at 118.29. 118.20. Rather than me having to hit it manually. I've just put that order in. So now, let's get rid of this. I'm not going to need this deal ticket right now because the market's running away a little bit. What will happen is if we go straight up to that 29, then this deal ticket here will disappear as the order gets hit. Anyway, we'll see. It's still early days. It could still pull back yet, and then we get some more entries in. But if not, then at least we've got 2 units in for now. I'll press pause for now. Okay, so just back, and we've been sitting on this for a while here, and looks like I'm going to get that next unit in. We've got those 2 units in so far, so we'll be getting that next unit in as it comes down to the 8 AM pivot and the 5-minute 50 here. So it's taken its time, but looks like it's going to happen. So fingers on the buzzer. So earlier on, looked like it was going to go straight up, maybe zoom straight to target, but no. So at least this enables me to get a better size position in. Here we go. Right, units in there. So I've just got that 3rd unit long on the euro dollar in. That stop's going to be at the same place. Where is it? There it is. Let's bring it up. Okay. Stop's going to be in the same place, so let's put the stop in. So that's going to be at 117. Same stop as the others, 95. So I now have 3 units in. We will look at this. If we find that this looks like it's finding support here this morning and it starts bouncing, then what I could do is engage the stops, move the stops up a bit, and then put a 4th unit in. So there is potential here today if it can sort of hold here and then gradually start to move back up again. So for now, I'll press pause. It's what, 10 to 9, and we don't have that much more recording time. We've got, well, a couple of hours. So we'll see how we go. Okay, just back finally now, and it's what, 11 o'clock, and unfortunately the euro's just rolled over here today. Everything was looking quite nice for a nice little run to the upside to test these highs over here. There was plenty of reasons why it could have just continued working its way back up. Who knows what still happens today now, but it's certainly rolled over now. So so I have been stopped. So let's have a look at those 3 entries that we took. So we had that very first entry at 09, then the add-in at 14, and then that final 3rd entry at 10, and my stops were at 117.95. So as you can see, I've been stopped out just a little bit below that, and it works out 1, 2, 3, about £400, just a bit over £400 lost there today. So what can you do? Not much to say about that. But I always look at trades, and I think when you take trades, whether it's a winner or a loser, provided if you're having a losing trade that you don't feel bad about the trade. You shouldn't feel bad about having losing trades, by the way. They're just trades. Don't take it personally. Providing your setup you feel was fine, then you just dust yourself off and you move on to the next trade. That's just trading. So but I'm out of time. It's 11 o'clock. I've got to get this video produced and out to you, so there won't be any more trading from me today because I'm getting in the car at midday today, off to Scotland. Anyway, have a nice weekend, and we'll be back in touch next week.